If you want to enable step counter on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we can go to the app drawer, and then you should be able to find the Fitbit app. If not, then you can also download it for free from the Play Store. So let's open the app. This app allows you to get this information. In this case we need to sign in, but we can use the Google account. We can use our Google account in order to continue. So I'm just gonna do that. So let's quickly sign in with the Google account. Let's set permissions. Let's grant them. There we go. And immediately after that, you should be able to find the information about steps. So now this app allows us to check the information about the steps that we have done so far in a given day. However, if you wish to have a quicker access to that information, we can also use a widget. So in my case, I'm gonna press and hold my finger on an empty space in the home screen and then go to widgets. Let's swipe to the left in order to see the list of apps, and then let's search for Fitbit. And then we can choose this widget over here in order to have this information over here. We can also make it a little bit smaller if we want to, or bigger of course. There we go. And now we have a step counter that is visible pretty much all the time. We should also be able to, I believe, find more details about the steps over here. And I'm not sure if we can actually switch the step count, but I think we should be able to, somewhere in the settings. Okay, so if you want to change steps, then first of all, we're gonna tap on these steps, tap on these three dots next, and then go to activity settings. And over here, as you can see, we can change the amount of steps by 500. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!